Great morning, students. Basic Technology, Grade 7. Week 3, Identification of Ceramics and Glass. Objectives of this class. At the end of the class, my students should be able to define what a ceramic is and what glass is. And also, they should be able to know the property of a ceramic and the property of a glass. Without further ado, let's dive into the class. What is ceramics? Ceramics is a hard, brittle heat resistant material made by firing a mixture of clay and chemical at a very high temperature. Examples are clay pots, marbles, tiles, water closet. The common example that we know that is easily known by people are our house tiles, our marbles, and our water closet, our bathtubs. These are examples of ceramics. And the properties of ceramics are highly resistant to corrosion. They can withstand a very high temperature. They are electrically resistant. They are usually hard and strong. Those are few examples. Those are few properties rather of ceramic. So let's go into glass. Glass is a type of ceramics. Glass is a hard, usually transparent materials made from sand, lime, potash, soda, and lead oxide. To produce glass, those raw materials are mixed and placed in a funnel to be melted. It is then formed into a desired object. So glass are made from sand, lime, potash, sodium, and lead oxide. These materials are mixed together, then heated to a very high temperature. Then it is formed into different objects of your choice. And examples of glass we all know are cups, mirrors, glass tubs, glass windows, glass doors, eyeglasses, etc. Those are examples of glass materials that we know. And properties of glass is they're brittle, it is transparent, and it is also resistant to corrosion. We've come to the end of the class of week 4. So I want you, my students, to go back and read more so that you will understand what a ceramics is, what glass is, and properties of each. Properties of a ceramics and properties of a glass. So before we end the class, I'll be giving you an assignment to know how a glass is being produced, to see a video of how a glass is being produced, how the materials are mixed together, and the process at which glass is produced. So when we see in our next class physically, I will ask each and every one of you how the glass is being produced. Let's have a great time. Thank you. We've come to the end of the class.